Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Huawei Watch GT 7 Pro, a premium smartwatch that arrives with an impressive design, high-end construction, and several interesting features worth exploring. I've received the black version, and as you can see, the box is still completely sealed, so we're going to open it together and see exactly what Huawei has included inside, how the watch feels in the hand, and what differences we can notice compared with previous generations. Before we get started, if you enjoy this kind of technology content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos and latest updates. And now, let's get straight into the unboxing. The packaging follows the familiar Huawei style. It is clean, simple, and premium without being unnecessarily complicated. Once we open the box, the first thing that catches our attention is the special watch face already displayed on the screen. This particular design appears to be connected to skiing, featuring a visual style inspired by a downhill run and winter sports. Huawei often introduces exclusive watch faces and sports-related designs with its newer smartwatch models. So this is one of the first small details that makes the GT 7 Pro feel like a new generation device. Inside the box, we find the watch itself carefully positioned, along with the usual accessories underneath. There is a small instruction manual and the necessary documentation, while another section contains Huawei's familiar magnetic charging cable. The charging system itself does not appear to have undergone a dramatic redesign. It remains compact and simple to use because the magnetic connector automatically attaches to the back of the watch. This is a convenient solution, especially when you need to charge the device quickly without dealing with complicated connectors. One detail that immediately catches my attention is the connector on the other end of the cable. In Europe, USB-C has become increasingly common across modern electronics, so it is always interesting to see what solution manufacturers choose for their accessories. The cable also has a slightly different color detail, which could simply be part of the accessory design or could potentially indicate a specific charging capability. However, we would need to check the official specifications to determine whether there is actually an improvement in charging speed. Now let's take a closer look at the watch itself. Once it is removed from the packaging, the Huawei Watch GT 7 Pro immediately gives us that premium feeling we expect from a pro-level smartwatch. The black finish looks elegant and relatively discreet while still maintaining the sporty character that has become associated with the GT Pro family. Huawei has clearly chosen a more evolutionary approach with this generation rather than completely redesigning the watch. The overall shape remains familiar, but several smaller details have been refined. The strap is another area worth discussing. The strap design has been slightly changed, including a different structure on the inside. It might look like a small adjustment, but you can notice the difference when you actually hold and wear the watch. The material feels comfortable and has a quality finish. Of course, strap design is highly personal. Some people will love this style, while others may prefer a more traditional strap without additional sections or openings. The good thing is that Huawei offers interchangeable strap options, allowing users to customize the watch and, in some cases, use compatible straps from previous generations. Moving on to the display, the Huawei Watch GT 7 Pro features a screen measuring around 1.43 inches, with brightness reaching an impressive level of up to around 3000 nits according to the specifications associated with the model. That kind of brightness should make the display much easier to read outdoors, particularly under strong sunlight. This is especially important for a sports smartwatch because users may be checking their pace, heart rate, workout information, navigation, or other data while running, hiking, skiing, or cycling. A bright screen can make a huge difference when you are outside and don't want to stop what you are doing just to read the display. The overall design is clearly related to previous models such as the GT 7 and GT 6. Huawei has taken a very recognizable design and refined it rather than starting from scratch. The result is a smartwatch that still looks robust and premium while introducing subtle changes to the buttons, finish, proportions, and overall appearance. At first glance, the differences may seem very small, but when you place the new model next to an older generation, you can begin to notice them more clearly. One of those differences appears to be the thickness. When compared directly with the GT 6 Pro, the new model looks slightly slimmer, although the difference is not dramatic. The darker finish also gives it a different visual character, while some elements around the case appear to sit slightly differently than before. None of these changes completely transform the watch, but together they give the GT7 Pro a more refined appearance. Weight is another interesting detail. Depending on the exact configuration, the watch is around 79 grams, compared with approximately 80 grams for the previous model used as a reference. A difference of 1 gram may sound insignificant, and for many people it probably will be, but it still shows that Huawei has managed to reduce the weight slightly while maintaining the solid construction expected from a premium smartwatch. When a device is worn all day and sometimes throughout the night, even small improvements in comfort can become noticeable over time. Once we turn the watch on, the setup process is very familiar for anyone who has previously used a Huawei smartwatch. The device starts with the Huawei branding and then takes us through the initial setup and smartphone pairing process. After connecting the watch, an update becomes available. This is completely normal for a newly released device, and installing the latest software is always recommended because updates can include stability improvements, bug fixes, performance optimizations, and sometimes completely new features. After the update and pairing process are complete, we are presented with an interface that should feel familiar to existing Huawei users. There are different sections for workouts, music, weather, flashlight, concentration features, and various other everyday tools. Navigation is relatively straightforward, and users can organize the interface according to their preferences. Personally, a list-based view can be particularly convenient because it allows you to find different functions quickly without having to swipe through too many screens. The sports and activity features are also an important part of the GT7 Pro experience. Huawei has spent several generations developing its watches into more complete fitness companions, and this model continues that approach. The goal is not simply to provide notifications or control music from your wrist. Instead, the watch is designed to become something you can use throughout the day for workouts, activity tracking, health-related measurements, outdoor activities, and general daily convenience. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT7 Pro appears to follow a very clear strategy. Keep the features and design elements that already worked well, then refine them rather than completely reinventing the product. This means that owners of previous GT Pro models may not see a massive transformation, but users coming from older generations could still find plenty of reasons to upgrade. The extremely bright display, premium construction, refined design, comfortable weight, sports-focused features, and new watch faces are among the details that stand out during this first experience. Of course, the real test will come after several days or weeks of everyday use. Battery life, workout tracking accuracy, comfort during sleep, display responsiveness, notifications, smart features, and overall software performance are all things that need to be tested properly before reaching a final conclusion. An unboxing can show us the physical design and initial experience, but long-term daily use is what ultimately determines whether a smartwatch is genuinely worth buying. So that is our first look at the Huawei Watch GT7 Pro. It may not represent a complete redesign, but Huawei appears to have focused on refining an already successful formula. If you have any specific questions about the watch, any feature you want me to test, or a comparison you would like to see against another smartwatch, let me know in the comments. I'll try to cover those topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and for continuing to support the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time to do so because more reviews, comparisons, tests, and technology news are coming soon. See you in the next video. Until next time.